I don't care. What's up Alvi gang, my name is Faizan Alvi and I'm not gonna take your time talking a lot, alright? We are playing Lights of Director's Cut. It's basically like there is a common fear like people say we have, like turning the light off and then going to their bed. It's that kind of experience or a horror game or whatever. Let's start, alright? Why? Huh? Night 1? What do you mean by night 1, man? What do you mean by night 1? I'm not playing for... Alright, game is already started and what is these graphics, man? Go to bed. The bed is not fully inside the screen. I'm pressing escape and it's not opening, man. I don't know. Alright, so all I have to do is turn the lights off, alright? Oh, I can run. Why there is a stamina bar? Like I have to run. Let me check all the house. What is that? And why it is right there? TV, it's not turning on or whatever. Why there are picture of monsters over here? Why? Windows are not touchable or whatever you call it. One more button. Why it is so dark here, man? Yeah, fridge sound effects. Alright. A clock. More weird pictures. One more button right there. And our bedroom. Nice. Nice. I can do this, guys. I don't have that fear. You know, I am a Sigma. Alright. Can I go up there? No, that's a roof. Alright. Why there is this thing, man? Man, why there are houses like this, man? I don't even like houses like this, man. Alright, let's start. Lights off. Is there anything to be scared of? I don't think so. Nice. Don't give me a jump scare. Ah, I'm stuck. I'm not turning this light off. Is there anything up there? No. 3, 2. Man, I don't wanna turn off this light. I know there is a jump scare and I don't want to feel that, alright? 1, 2, 3. I don't see anything! Man, why I just go like this? I have to go like this. Good game. GG's. Nobody can hurt me. GG's. Alright. Stamina bar, let it full. I know something is gonna be there. Nothing. Why am I looking downstairs, man? It's creepy. 3, 2, 1. I'm not looking back. If I turn this light off and go through here, something's gonna be there. So I'm gonna go like this. Alright, I'm not gonna go from that door because there is a reason that there is space right here. So I'm not gonna go from that side. I cannot see anything. I cannot see anything. Ah, my stamina bar. Alright, I'm not going in. Turn the light off. Go to bed. Hold left click to close your eyes. Close your eyes. I don't want a jump scare. Why don't you close your eyes by yourself, man? Why do I have to click it? You did it. Nah, not the night 2. Not the night 2. Alright, easy. We're gonna do it. Leave here. I'm not looking back. I am looking back for some reason. I don't know why. I know. No! Who turned the light on? Shut up, okay? You are giving me that fear, alright? This game gives you that fear. There is no such thing as fear, alright? If you dare to. Turn the light on. You don't have enough stamina, you know. Turn your eyes off, man. Why do I have to do this? Why you can't close your eyes by yourself? Night 3. Let's go. Join the LV gang by subscribing to the channel. Come on, guys. I'm making this cool content for you and you're not even subscribing, man. Come on. And I'm not Indian. Don't make fun of my accent. It's just like that. Press shift to sprint. Alright. You know, I feel like this time something's gonna happen because the last time the light turned on by itself. Nothing's happening. Nice. I know. They have learned my path. I believe they have learned my path. Like I turn off that light and then that light and then that light and then upper light and then that light and then that light. You know, you get my point. You can imagine it, right? I know there is a reason they have a button right here. I don't have a stamina bar enough. Run. I'm not even looking back this time. Oh, I hear something. Very cool. Do whatever you want. I am not afraid of you because I am a man.
You've got mail.
What? Thank you. Man, this thing scared me. Not all the lights are off. Not gonna lie. Sleep, sleep, sleep you! Yeah, it is going slower this time. Night 3 and it's going slower. Man, let me tell you something. This time there is something, or not this time, the night 5, alright? Something's gonna happen. I know that. I know. Fridge is louder. Hello, fridge? Light off. I'm not running this time, alright? I'm not running this time. Light off. Come on, do whatever you can. I'm not scared of you. I know I'm not gonna jump scare like a little girl. 3, 2, 1. Cheese. GG's. Why I cannot go through here? Why? This game has some difficulties. I saw something for some reason. Yeah, you can rewind back. Yeah, it's the shadow, I guess. Come on, come on. No one can destroy me. I can destroy them. Man, night 5 and I'm done playing this game. Do I hear something? Something's gonna pop up. What? Investigate the noise. You know, I'm not a white guy that they investigate, alright? I'm turning all the lights on. I know jump scare. I told you. I've told you guys. Downstairs. The noise is downstairs, so I cannot even see anything. The light should render now. Light should render. It's not rendering, you know. Turn the light on. Dude, are you crazy? No, I have to go, man. Come on. I don't even want to go there. Chidi. The noise was your mother. Man, come on. These games. Jump scares ahead, guys. I'm telling you now. Go to bed. Go to bed? Not again. Jump scares ahead, guys. Nah. I again just stuck here for some reason. Nothing can stop me. Ooh, nothing can stop me. Ooh, go to bed and sleep. Ooh, I know what was the noise back there. Ooh, I'm not Michael Jackson or something, man. Alright, stamina bar full. Why there is this long hallway, man? I don't like it. Now don't you dare to do anything. Don't you dare. Alright, night 4 is done. Let's go. Night 5 and I'm out. Night 5 and I'm out, guys. Let's see what happens. Stick around, alright? Glug. You know what? Bang the door with the AK-47. Man, come on, man. Chill. Dadum. What is this walking noise? It's like a whale is jumping around on a wooden floor or something. I don't even care about the stamina bar now. And I know something's gonna happen because I'm so chill, and something's gonna happen. I'm gonna go wrong. Ah! I heard something. Ah! Sleep. I know. I heard those running noises. That scared me, man. I'm not alien. Shut up. I'm not alien. Not again. Guys, let's see what these guys do, alright? That guy is stalking us for whole 5 nights. Press left to take a picture. We have to take pictures. Night 6 is gonna be great. Can we turn on the lights? No. Do whatever you can, entity. I know whole entities are gonna be in the corner or somewhere. Refrigerator is an entity. No. I know this side is gonna be an entity. No! 0 entities! I don't know what entity was that. I don't know entity. I don't care. You guys saw that? Alright, I'm just constantly taking pictures of my own house. Or we are just investigating this house, or whatever you wanna call it. Show up in my camera. I go up and I go down, there is gonna be something. Nope. Come on! These things, I have to capture those lights. Those are the eyes kind of thing. Show me your eyes and I will capture you. I will put them out of your eye socket, man, with my flash. We are here. Ta-da! Ta-da! We got it! We got it, guys! We got it, guys. Come on, show me your... No! We missed it, man! We missed it! Come on, come on. Show me whatever you are. It's gonna tell us to run, I know. Subscribe, guys. Show me a glimpse of your eyes. Yeah, let's go. 3 out of 3. I am at the door. Did I finish the game? Night 7? Night 7, are you sure? Are you sure about that? Are you sure about that? Nah, demonic rituals.
Banish the entity. How to banish the entity? I don't know.
Bro, like, should we cook him a food or something? He's gonna banish by himself. I don't think so. How to banish the entity? Yeah.
I am catching your feelings.
Feelings? Why are you catching feelings for the demon, man, for some reason? Why there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plates? Are you crazy? I know jump scares are there. There is no flashlight, man. They can put a flashlight. Alright. Alright, banished? Entity banished? Yeah, there is the entity. That kinda look like that Damita Kusita thing, that green alien. Yeah. Alright, editor Fizan right here. What is this ending? Romance ending? Like, that's what that guy was saying. I am catching a feeling. What? I don't know. But yeah, this is a weird ending. Ending is an ending. Yeah, comment down below if you want me to try other endings. Now let's continue. The game is finished. I didn't even saw that ending. I was so into talking. Alright, I don't know what ending that was. Alright, yeah, I guess in the editing process I'll know. And there are more than one endings. So comment down below if you want more videos of this game, and join the LB gang by subscribing to the channel. Alright, please subscribe. Bye bye.
Wait.